Hello creators of the future, welcome back to our channel. Today we're delving into a realm of innovation that's poised to revolutionize your content creation journey. The art of crafting a faceless YouTube channel using the sheer power of AI video generation. If you're ready to embark on a captivating expedition into the world of creativity, you're in for an extraordinary treat. In the next several minutes, we'll guide you through an intricate process that promises to shape the way you connect with your audience, all while keeping your face concealed. Let's jump right into the voyage of ingenuity. Now, step 1 is gonna be choosing a niche. The journey begins with a compass pointing towards your niche. Embrace your passions and select a niche that resonates with your creative soul, serving as the cornerstone of your faceless YouTube channel. Step 2 is keywords research. Unlocking the secrets of search engine optimization is vital. We recommend using vidIQ, a robust tool to conduct extensive keyword research. Discover keywords with low competition but high potential to guide traffic towards your channel. For me, I already chose my niche, which is tutorial videos, and I just type here tutorial videos, and as you can see, it has an overall score of low, which means it is little to no competition. And also in this vidIQ, we can also create video ideas or content ideas, which is step 3. So liberate your content ideas with AI's ingenious guidance. Tap into the AI Coach feature, a virtual brainstorming companion that offers suggestions tailored to your niche, igniting your creativity and keeping your audience engaged. So over here you can tell or ask it anything. So I'll ask it to generate 5 video content ideas about video tutorials. And there you have it. We have our 5 content ideas. Now step 4 is choosing video editor. So assembling your content into coherent visual narratives demands a reliable video editor. Enter InVideo, an efficient video editing tool that streamlines your creative process, allowing your ideas to come to life seamlessly. Now for step 5, we need to create a channel intro. So make a memorable entrance. Your channel's introduction is its first impression. So craft a captivating channel intro that encapsulates your essence and piques your viewers' curiosity. So here we are at InVideo. We're just gonna click the button here called and type, click more, and then we're just gonna click onto intros. And we can pick any of the intro here. So let's just use this one, and then use the next we have text to video. So venture into a transformative realm of text to video. Witness your ideas to metamorphose into captivating visuals with the help of AI-powered text to video tools, transcending the ordinary. So we're here, we're back at the home page, and let's click AI text to video. And you can just choose any one of this. So for example, this one is we're just gonna use this template, and we can generate a script. So we're gonna put here make on simple intro. So there we have it. It just made us a simple intro. Now for step 7, which is adding videos. So the heartbeat of your channel lies in the videos you share. Curate a library of compelling videos that cater to your niche, showcasing your expertise and captivating your audience with every upload. So over here we can see videos, and we can drop any one of these videos. So we have here the free, let's use free. So we have nothing. So it's gonna range from a lot of videos. So you can just add this or add this. Then we can put it like Now we can go to step 7, which is adding music. So set the tone with harmonious melodies. Background music can significantly enhance the ambience of your videos, adding depth and emotion to your content. Now we can go to the music stuff and we have our moods here, and let's just use inspiring. Alright, we can use this music. Click yes. Have it. Now for step 9, which is adding a logo. Your channel deserves a visual identity. Incorporate a logo that embodies your brand's essence, offering visual hook for your audience to recognize and remember. Now we can go and do logos. Click here to drop a logo. So I'll just drop one logo here. Which is this one. It's now updating, and then we can drag it down. We can add the logo, and there we have it. We have the logo on top. Now step 10 is AI voiceover. So completing the mosaic, embrace the magic of AI generated voiceovers. Infuse your videos with professional narration without revealing your own voice, adding an extra layer of allure to your content. After we go to editor, we have over here voiceovers, and we have automated text to speech. And let's just click that. Then we can put our text here. So we have our script here, make a simple intro, and then let's generate our voiceover. Click add. And there you have it. So let's click play.
Make a simple intro.
And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to embark on the exciting journey of creating a faceless YouTube channel using the phenomenal capabilities of AI video generation. These steps hold the potential to redefine your content creation experience, captivating your audience and establishing your channel as a force to be reckoned with. If this guide ignited your imagination and enriched your insights, kindly share your appreciation with a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more enlightening content. Thank you for joining us on this transformative ride. Until we cross paths again, keep innovating and keep creating.